chapter we have learned?
Units and measurements.
What am I?
Units and measurements.
What is the measurement?
Comparison with unknown quantity with known standard unit,
Okay. Physical quantities అంటే ఏంటమ్మా?
which are measurable,
Which are measurable? Example?
fundamental and derived.
Which are measurable? Which are measure? Which you can measure? Can you give us some examples?
Length, mass, time. Fundamental quantities and derived quantities.
Example for derived quantities?
Area, volume, momentum, acceleration.
What is the momentum?
MV, mass into velocity.
What is the mass?
Amount of substance.
What is the velocity?
Displacement at time.
What is the speed?
Speed, actual path covered by an object.
Speed.
Partially slowness of a body. It's called speed.
Speed and velocity both are same or different?
Speed and velocity. Different.
What is the difference? Yeah. What is the difference?
Speed is a scalar quantity. Displacement is a vector. Velocity is a vector quantity.
Speed is equal to distance by time. Velocity is equal to?
Displacement by time.
What is the unit of velocity?
Velocity. Meter per second.
ఎలా అమ్మా మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్?
In MK system.
ఎలా?
Displacement ki
Come on, write and show.
velocity is equal to displacement by time కదా సార్.
అవును.
Displacement అది యూనిట్ ఏమో మీటర్, టైం కి సెకండ్ కదా.
Okay.
మీటర్ పర్ సెకండ్.
Good. Very good. What is the least count of the common scale?
1 millimeter.
1/10th part of a millimeter. How can you find?
Vernier caliper.
1/100th part?
Screw gauge or micrometer.
Oh, very good. 1 Fermi is equal to?
10 to the power minus 50 meter.
1 angstrom అంటే?
10 to the power minus 10 meter.
సెంటీమీటర్స్లో
10 to the power minus
సాల్వ్ చేయి పేపర్ మీద. 10⁻⁻10 మీటర్స్ని కన్వర్ట్ చేయి సెంటీమీటర్స్లోకి. వాల్యూ ఎంత? లైట్ ఇయర్ వాల్యూ ఎంతమ్మా?
9.46 into 10 to the power 12 kilometers.
స్పీడ్ ఆఫ్ లైట్ ఒక సెకండ్కి ఎంత? 3 lakhs. 3 lakhs ఏంటి? టమాటోసా?
Kilometers.
కిలోమీటర్స్. మరి మీటర్స్లో 3 into
10 to the power of 8 meter per second.
ఎలాగో చెప్పగలవా? కెన్ యూ రైట్ ఆన్ ద బోర్డ్?